Hey guys, it's Zoe here, and today we are going to be making Olive Garden pasta. I'm not much of a cook, I'm still a beginner, but if you can boil some pasta noodles and warm up some sauce, then you can make this easy Olive Garden Copycat pasta. Specifically, we're going to be making the 5-cheese marinara pasta. Now, I love Olive Garden. If I could, I would eat there every day, but I can't, so this pasta is perfect. The only thing missing is the Olive Garden unlimited breadsticks, but I bet we can make those too someday. Now, you can find a lot of different recipes online, but I winged it based on what ingredients I had on hand, and it ended up being very tasty. So I think you can sub out different ingredients depending on what your tastes are and what you're looking for, but the key ingredient I think is probably going to be the mozzarella, so make sure you definitely have that one. And of course, the parmesan for the topping. Now, there won't be any waiter there who is endlessly cranking the cheese and you're just thinking, oh, I need to say now, but I want more cheese, and they're still cranking. That's not gonna happen. You can make it happen, but that does not come with the recipe. This takes approximately 30 minutes to make. Now, that is beginner time. I bet a lot of recipes would say only like 20 minutes, maybe 5 minutes of prep time, but as a beginner, recipes take a lot longer than they are said to, so I would say probably about 30 minutes. It definitely feeds 2 people. I make this for me and my boyfriend, and we have way too many leftovers. Like I said, this recipe is very simple. There are only 2 parts, the pasta and the sauce. To start with, these are the utensils you are going to need to pull out of your cupboard. You're going to need a big pot for the pasta. You're going to need a medium-sized pot for the sauce, and you're gonna need a strainer for the pasta, not the sauce, and 2 spoons for stirring. I don't like to mix my spoons, so get 2 spoons so you're not getting your sauce in your water. Now for ingredients. To prove that this is cheap, I went to Dollar General for my supplies. Okay, I'm at Dollar General, and we are going to be getting all of the supplies to make the pasta. On my first cooking, Dollar General had all the supplies. Currently, they were out of some things, so I know this can all be bought at Dollar General. Just pretend I got it all there, but this is what I was able to find at Dollar General. And if Dollar General or wherever you're shopping doesn't have what you're looking for, you can always sub out different cheeses. Just make sure you have that mozzarella. So you're going to need 2 boxes of pasta noodles. You can use whatever pasta noodles you like. I use penne because that's what Olive Garden uses. Next, you're gonna need
Iodized salt.
Okay, we're gonna go with it. Iodized salt, and this is important. It's not your normal like grinder salt, and this is because there's certain salts that go on top of food and certain salt that are for the boiling of the pasta. I watched a video on it. I'm not a salt expert, but that's what I've heard. So yeah, get the iodized salt, not the normal salt. Or maybe this is your normal salt. I don't know what salt you have in your house. And then you're going to need garlic salt. You could use actual garlic, but again, we're beginners here. I don't know how to crack open that garlic. So garlic salt it is. This might make it not healthy. It might up that sodium, but it works for flavor, and it's okay if you're gonna have a little too much sodium for one meal. Just don't do this every day, obviously. But this is a treat. You're having Olive Garden, so you're trying to be a little fancy. Next, you want Olive Garden. Olive Garden, of course you're gonna want Olive Garden. That's why you're making this meal. Next, you're gonna want olive oil. And I did watch a video on the type of olive oils you're supposed to use and what, and I can't remember which is which, but I used extra virgin olive oil. That might not be the right one, so just go with what you feel. It didn't mess up my recipe, so. And now we're gonna get into the little measurements. Don't know how important these are. I mean, I kind of winged it on my first try, so you could probably wing it and make it work. But these are the measurements I used for the cheeses. So we have 1 cup shredded mozzarella, 1 cup shredded parmesan, and 2/3 cup of shredded Monterey Jack / Colby Jack. And then, because we are beginners, we're not making our own sauce, you get a jar of Alfredo sauce and you get a jar of marinara sauce. The brand, I don't know how important it is. I chose Ragú. I think the most important thing is probably making sure you have pretty high quality Alfredo. I tried it with, I think it was Alfresco Alfredo the first time, and it didn't taste as good as the second time I made it. So try and pay attention to quality just in the Alfredo department at least. And I like Ragú. That's kind of the sauce I'm used to. So maybe go with the sauce brand you're used to, and then whatever is the most equivalent to your price. Now, I am not the best at math, but I did break down how much each ingredient costed me. So I'm gonna just put it up on the screen so that I don't say anything wrong, and that's the price break on all of this. Yeah. And it breaks down to this much per serving, and I am assuming that this is going to serve about 6 people. It's a little high, but you know. So this is for 6 people if it serves, and if you don't like leftovers or you have huge appetites, then this is for 2 people. And just to compare to how much it would cost me if I went to Olive Garden and went the cheap route, which is create your own pasta dish, and got the pasta with the 5 cheese sauce, this is how much it is. And since I haven't broke it down yet, I'm gonna do 2 reactions. Oh wow, that is so much cheaper than Olive Garden. Oh, well, it's not as cheap as I thought, but at least it's an experience. And now it's the fun part. We're going to cook. Step 1, get your dishes out and clean them. If you are a clean freak like me, you gotta make sure everything is nice and clean. You gotta get out those towels, make sure you have a place to sit everything, and just make it nice and neat. I think it's very important to make sure you have all your ingredients out first. As a beginner, this is probably a big mistake a lot of people forget to do, but it does speed up the process if you go ahead, lay out everything you need, and have it ready. Also, read through the directions before you cook. That's big. So after that step, we'll just call that step A, and we'll move into numbers now. So step 1, you're gonna fill your big pot up with water. I fill it up to a little bit over halfway, and then I set it up to boil. Now, while it's heating up, you're going to go ahead and put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there. I eyeballed it, but 2 tablespoons if you want specifics. And then a lot of salt. I pretty much like to take the salt and kind of like over the whole pot as if I'm covering the pot. And that's about as much salt as I feel I need. But you do it how you want. If you want it salty like the ocean, go ahead and do it. Now, step 2, while this is boiling and heating up, you're gonna get your medium pot out. And now, this is the trickiest part, is making the sauce. And when I say tricky, it's still not that tricky. You should be just fine, don't panic. So you're gonna go ahead and put that to medium heat. You're gonna take your garlic salt, and you're just gonna like coat that whole bottom of a pan. Just make it nice and garlicky and salty. And then you're gonna put about 2 tablespoons into that pan. And now that you've done that, you can stir it up, mix up the salt and the olive oil. And then you're going to immediately pour in 1 jar of the marinara sauce and the whole jar of Alfredo. And the hardest part is you have to stir stir it. You keep stirring it until it kind of looks orangey and it's all one consistent color. And then the fun starts. You're going to want to taste your sauce, make sure that it's as garlicky and all salty as you'd like, and then if you need more, go ahead and salt it to taste, because that is what every recipe says to do. You stir it for a very, very long time, as that water is probably still boiling. If it's not, you know what to do. Put that pasta in there and cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes. Make sure you check your pasta box to make sure that that's how long you need to cook it. Now, step 4, the cheeses. Now, don't count up how many cheeses we're using. We used Parmesan twice, so that's 5. Now you're going to add the cheeses. Add 1 cup of the shredded mozzarella. Add about 2/3 cup of the Colby Jack, Monterey Jack. And add 1 cup of the shredded cheese, and you are going to stir. And while the pasta cooks, you just keep on stirring. You're going to stir for a long time until all the cheeses have kind of melted and you're no longer having little cheese flakes in there. After your pasta has cooked for a little bit, you're going to take your stirring spoon, and I know I said we weren't going to do this, but we're going to dip it into the pasta. Now, use your pasta spoon. Don't use your pasta sauce spoon so you don't mix them. But obviously, just take a big spoonful of that pasta water and dump it into your pasta sauce. This will kind of make it a little less thickened, and I don't know, it does something, I'm sure. Don't knock it until you've tried it. So now, step 5, you are going to drain your pasta once it hits, obviously, you know, it's cooked and it's done. You can spoon one little out and then like see how it is. I try to get it a little bit, like, it's a little sticky, but then I try to get it a little bit past the sticky part, if that makes sense. I don't know. If you've ate a lot of pasta, then you probably know how you like it. Just take it out, make sure you blow on it. It's gonna be hot, and then see how it is. And then you're gonna drain it. Once your sauce is simmering, you're going to take another big spoon. You're gonna take your spoon, your big spoon, your stirring spoon, and fill it with Parmesan, grated Parmesan, and dump that into your Parmesan sauce. And of course, get back to stirring, so that way all that cheese can melt and disappear. Step 6, combine your pasta sauce and enjoy. Put on that nice Italian music and get yourself somebody to go ahead and grate that cheese until you are satisfied. And since you're in the comfort of your own home, no one will judge you if you have a mountain of Parmesan cheese on your plate. And that is my Olive Garden copycat recipe. If you do cook this meal, please share with me on Instagram, Zoe the Awesome. I want to see what you guys create, and did you guys enjoy this? I'm still a beginner cook, and I really took the recipes that I found online and made it my own. And if you ever feel like you can't have something because you can't afford it, or it's too far away from you, always know that if you put your mind to it and you do some research, you can cook it, or you can create it, you can do it. As Nike says, you can do it. Alright, that is all for this video. Stay awesome. Till next video.
Zoe, the